Todo ang paghanga ng mga sports analyst sa pambansang kamao sa kanyang pagkapanalo laban kay Oscar De La Hoya. Maging ang ilang atleta na pabilis sa galing taring ni Pacman. Ang mainit na balita hatid ni James Velasquez.
To the face of De La Hoya, another left, one to combination, another left. Oh, De La Hoya's holding on to the rope.
Minsan pang pinatunayan ni Manny Pacquiao na siya ang pound-for-pound best fighter in the world matapos sumuko ni Oscar De La Hoya sa kanilang dream match sa Las Vegas. Para kay boxing analyst Ronnie Nathaniel, ito na raw ang pinakamagandang laban sa boxing career ni Pacquiao. Maliban sa pagsunod sa game plan ni Coach Freddie Roach, hindi raw nakita ni Golden Boy ang bilis ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyong pinakawalan ng pambansang kamao na bumuta sa depensa niya.
His speed was incredible. He did everything planned out by Freddie Roach. Ibig sabihin, pasok labas, come at different angles, use your speed, use your good footwork, lahat ng ginawa.
Para naman kay sports analyst Seb Sarmenta, napakalaki ng pagkakaiba ng kondisyon ng pangangatawan ng mas batang Pacquiao kay De La Hoya.
For first round hanggang dulong round, yung kanyang hand speed nandun pa rin. Si De La Hoya, unfortunately, a great champion, a great sportsman, could not squeeze the trigger, could not pull the trigger. He had nothing against the pound-for-pound champion.
May mga nagsabi noong mismatch ang laban at dahil parehong champion na, hindi kailangan ni Pacquiao o ni De La Hoya ang labang ito. Pero naniniwala ang boxing analyst na hindi pera ang naging motibasyon ng dalawa para magtapat sa ring, kundi ang pagkakataong sukatin ang kanilang galing.
Una, medyo na-criticize yan kasi pera-pera lang yan, wala namang saysay-yan. There are so many risks. But I'm sure they would not have taken this fight unless they saw something na kaya nilang pagsamantalahan o upakan kay Oscar De La Hoya.
At matapos matalo ni Pacquiao, dapat na raw magretiro si De La Hoya.
Frankly, I think Oscar De La Hoya should retire. Now, he got beaten by a smaller man. Everybody thought Oscar was a bully. Now, he was the guy who was bullied.
Bago naman magretiro si Pacman, dapat daw isunod na nito si Ricky the Hitman Hatton sa susunod na taon. Kahit ang ibang atleta, napabilib kay Pacman.
You can see how determined he was. Grabe yung fighting heart niya.
He was totally dominated by Manny. He really deserved the win.
Champion talaga, galing.
James Velasquez, GMA News.